Hey there cubers, it's Belgian Speedcuber here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to do this pattern on the cube. I'm really excited to teach you guys this one, and I hope you guys... Oh, wait, what? Oh, it's the wrong one. R2. Okay, so if you want to make this pattern, you do the following sequence. D prime, B2, F2, L2, U prime, F2, R2, D, F2, U2, L prime, B, R prime, U prime, L prime, F, D prime, F, L, and D2. This gives you this pattern. The fun thing about this pattern is the other side is completely different. I really like it. Okay, so if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. If you want to purchase any of these cubes in the video, I'll put a link in the description below. You can buy them at Cubes UK, where I have a discount code BelgianSC5. It gives you 5% off your order. Thank you for the massive support you guys have been giving me. This gives me the opportunity to do these videos and buy these cubes. So thank you guys a lot. If you decide to make this pattern or any other, please let me know if you post this on Instagram, and I'll give you a shout out for sure. Thank you guys for the support. Belgian Speedcuber out.
That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night.
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize